Chemicals required: glucose solution, sodium hydroxide solution, and indigo carmine solution. Procedure: in a clean conical flask, first a little amount of sodium hydroxide solution is added. Then a small amount of glucose solution is mixed into the sodium hydroxide solution into the flask. Finally, a small amount of indigo carmine solution is added to the mixture. Observation: the solution turned green in color. The conical flask is swirled for a while. A cork is placed over the flask. The conical flask is swirled again for a while and kept. The green color solution turned red in color. The conical flask is swirled again for a while. The color of the solution turned yellow. The experimental setup is ready. The flask is swirled again and the color of the solution changes from yellow to green and then from green to red and then red to yellow, and this interchanging of the color continues. Chemistry behind this traffic light experiment involves an oscillating oxidation and reduction reaction. Alkaline glucose solution acts as a reducing agent, and when added to the solution containing the indicator named indigo carmine, a color change of green to red to yellow is observed. However, due to the content of the atmospheric oxygen, when the reaction flask is shaken and reduced indigo carmine is reoxidized, the reverse is seen. The color of the solution changes to red upon the commencement of the oxidation, and if vigorous shaking takes place, the fully oxidized green solution is regenerated. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.